Why do the greatest empires in history eventually crumble from within? While we often blame external enemies, the scholar Ibn Khaldun argued the real killer is much more subtle: success, the core concept. In his theory of the life cycle of civilizations, Khaldun suggests that the very wealth a society works so hard to build is ultimately the poison that destroys its spirit. He calls this the transition from asabiya, social cohesion, to sedentary luxury. The mechanics of corruption. The death of asabiya, social bond. In the beginning, a group is lean and mean. They have strong asabiya, a shared purpose, and deep loyalty, born from hardship. The shift. As wealth pours in, people no longer need to rely on one another for survival. Individualism replaces the collective bond. The result, the glue that holds society together dissolves. The trap of sedentary culture. Khaldun argues that wealth changes our physical and mental nature. Softness. People become used to air conditioning, or the 14th century equivalent, fine silks and gourmet food. Loss of valor. Once people have something to lose, they become risk-averse and cowardly. They stop being producers and protectors and become consumers. The spiral of luxury and debt. This is where Khaldun sounds like a modern economist. Increasing needs. As wealth grows, wants become needs. Yesterday's luxury is today's necessity. Taxation and corruption. To fund these expensive lifestyles, the ruling class raises taxes. When taxes can't go any higher, they turn to corruption, seizing property or manipulating markets to maintain their status. The 5 stages of decline. Khaldun identifies a specific timeline for this corruption: conquest, hardship, and unity. Consolidation. The leader gains absolute power. Expansion and success. The peak of wealth and culture. People become passive and enjoy the fruits of labor. The final stage, where the treasury is emptied on pleasures, leading to the eventual collapse or takeover by a hungrier group. Ibn Khaldun's warning is a psychological one. Wealth isn't bad because of the money, it's bad because of the mindset it creates. It breeds a false sense of security that makes us forget the discipline and unity that made the wealth possible in the first place. As Khaldun famously noted, history is a circle. Those who are toughened by desert life eventually become the soft city dwellers, who are conquered by the next wave of outsiders. References. Primary source: Khaldun, Ibn, The Muqaddimah, An Introduction to History. Specifically, look at Chapter 3, on dynasties, royal authority, the caliphate, government ranks, and all that goes with these things. Concept reference: the Khaldun curve, often cited in discussions regarding taxation and the rise-fall of states.